Once upon a time, a few of my cousins from another city, Rawalpindi, stopped by my house. All of those people came from the same door to us. We mark more bonding and our vibes are also matched with each other than a friend, or we spend time looking at them. But our friendship is so great that we are like this. The time seemed to be very short and
Also come along with them to their city and make more new memories with them and enjoy the trip. Or this is the only way we will spend more time together. And then we start asking permission from our parents. Or at last they will agree with us and give us permission, or we will all go on a journey to know their city. There, we found out that we have more cousins, and we had never met them before. So we decided to invite them for a meetup and some fun together to get to know each other better. Then we all went to Jinnah Park, where we met each other for the first time as cousins. I became very nervous and a little shy when we met. And then the story starts when I see her for the very first time in my entire life, and I was shocked at how beaten she is. She was looking like a princess of heaven at that moment, and I just started watching her try to talk with her. And literally, I started observing her like the way she dressed up in a red hoodie with a black pant and white joggers. It was one-sided love, and then